Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to delete an email on Gmail the quick and easy way, updated for the latest version. Whether you're using your phone or a computer, I'll walk you through each step so you can tidy up your inbox in just a few taps or clicks. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. If you prefer using a computer, open your browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you're signed in to the account where the email is located. Once Gmail loads, you'll see your list of emails arranged by date. Next, find the email you want to delete. You can scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top to make it faster. Just type in a keyword, name, or subject line from the message you're looking for. When you spot the right email, tap or click on it to open it fully. With the email open, look toward the top of your screen. You'll see several icons. One of them looks like a small trash can. That's the delete button. Go ahead and tap or click that trash can icon. The email will instantly be moved to your trash folder. It's worth noting that emails in the trash aren't deleted permanently right away. Gmail keeps them there for about 30 days before they're automatically removed. If you want to free up space immediately, you can open the trash folder, select the emails inside, and choose Empty Trash Now. And that's it. You've just deleted an email on Gmail. It's that simple. Whether you're cleaning up newsletters, clearing out old messages, or organizing your inbox for a fresh start, these steps work every time. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to tidy up a few emails right now. Keeping your inbox organized can help you stay focused and make sure you don't miss the messages that matter most. Thanks for watching.